pizza's delicious. I love it so good. Oh my god, I'm so...
What day is it, Luigi?
I think it's the 3rd of 2017.
We never even made a New Year's special yet, because, Nathan was grounded. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Luigi, we need to make that New Year's special now.
How about we just take a break first and then we'll film it?
Fine, but we need to do it. Anyways, I'll get back to sleep. Hey,
What's that noise?
hold on, I'll check.
Mario? What is that thing?
Luigi? I don't know.
Hey, it looks like a bird.
I wanna touch it.
Wait, Mario, it could have germs. Cause you know that toucan that gave me germs and I had this illness?
But that was like 6 months ago. I just wanna touch it.
Wait, Mario, don't touch it. No. What the heck? Mario! Are you okay, Mario? Mario, speak to me.
Get your paws off me, Luigi. You're gonna pay for what you've done to my belly.
Oh, really?
Who are you exactly?
I am Pecky, the evil bird from another world, and I came here to destroy you for what you did to my brother.
What did I do to him?
You killed my brother, and he was the guy who created the hurricane to destroy your world.
Don't you mean that Chewbacca bird? Mario, duck!
Come on, Luigi, we need to go. Come on, Luigi, let's go. Let's get out of here.
Oh, no, you don't.
Okay, I think we're safe in here.
Finally. And this place looks familiar. This looks like from the movie.
You really think you could stop me, do you?
Mario, use the fire flower!
Luigi, I think I lifted at Peach's castle.
You did what?
This flower's perfect for my garden.
Well, I guess this is a goodbye.
Oh no. Wait. The toad! That's it! Come here, you.
Time to die.
Well, that worked. Thank you, Toad.
You're welcome!
He's dead.
Finally, that psychotic bird is done.
Really think you could stop me?
You are dead! Not a big surprise.
Oh. Thanks, Hulk.
Please, let that bird be dead. Oh, that's a long day.
So, Luigi, what do you want to talk about today?
I don't know. Let's talk about what we dreamed today in our beds. Hey guys, we got some great news.
Great news? What is it?
Season 1 has been finished. And now, we're gonna be doing our New Year's special. Wait, Season 1 is done? Yeah, finally, after 9 months of that season. It's finally over. And we can do the New Year's special now. Come on, let's go!
Come on, Luigi, let's go!
Right with you, Mario.